all know there's rules and regulations coming down the pike, and I think as a retailer and grow market as whole, we're wanting to be ahead of that curve. We're wanting to get out there, and the 4R program is one that I believe is going to help everyone understand where we're headed in the next few years.
This is the Fertilizer Institute's 4R Field Report, on-farm nutrient stewardship information about how the right source, right time, right rate, and right place interact with issues facing everyone. Crop advisor Malcolm Stambaugh knows that staying ahead of the curve includes encouraging 4R nutrient stewardship. AGView FS holds the distinction of serving two 4R Advocate National winners. Chris Von Holten is the 2014 winner, and Ellen Madison was in the national spotlight in 2013. We caught up with both growers in the heat of battling this season's planting.
We started strip tilling probably almost 20 years ago with an anhydrous bar, putting down fall, applied ammonia with stabilizer. But we were getting some erosion down our rows and some of our hills from that knife being so deep in the ground that we went away from that program to using a strip till bar with just colders on it and then putting dry fertilizer down. The last about 7 or 8 years ago we started doing that and better results.
Planter tracks in both Chris's and Ellen's field are subtle. Last year's stubble has been parted slightly, leaving plenty for erosion control. Both growers split their nitrogen applications between the fall, planting, and the growing season.
Well, like our nitrogen program, of course we use a little bit of fall broadcast application of dry fertilizer, DAP or MES product that has some nitrogen in it. And then in the spring we're putting on with the planter 30 units of nitrogen, 20 of phosphorus, and some zinc and boron in this field anyway. And then we come back and we side dress the rest of the nitrogen that we need. In the growing season, after we've side dressed, we do some tissue testing, and we also have done some aerial imagery stuff, and we do some SPAD meter readings and determine if we've got enough nitrogen on, and then if we need any more, we put some on with Hagie sprayer, dribble it on later in the season.
Both growers are using a strip till system, and they've moved away from applying high levels of nitrogen in the fall.
So let's not put 100% of ammonia on in the fall. Let's do split applications. Let's put, I've got guys anywhere putting 100 units on and then coming back in the spring and putting 60 units of solution on. And that's worked out very well in our favor.
You know, there's people that have asked me questions about, you know, the 4Rs, and then about, you know, our system, what we're doing and how we're trying to do it in order to really be more efficient. Well, you're not making as many trips over the field with the strip operation, and then you're trying to do everything on a timely manner, which is basically what the 4Rs is all about.
If the farmer does the right thing and protects his inputs, protects the environment, then everybody should leave you alone, hopefully. You got to be proactive, try and keep ahead of everybody.
For more information, visit nutrientstewardship.com.